Are you struggling with eating healthy during the holidays? I put together 10 tips so you can enjoy those holiday meals and at the same time still be healthy. Your body will thank you for it. So let's dive right into it. Number one, drink plenty of water throughout that week, especially before those heavy meals. Because when your body is dehydrated, your brain is telling you to eat more, but in reality is you just need to drink more water. Number two, walk off that big dinner. Get your friends together, get the family together. So that way you can be burning those calories at the same time, catching up and enjoying each other's company. Number three, create a caloric deficit by upping your exercise routine during that week of that big meal. So that way when you start eating, you're replacing those calories first. Number four, make simple substitutions, such as using lighter cream or milk to create those treats. So that way you can enjoy your favorite treats without those heavy health impacts. Number five, make small cutbacks on sugars and salt. Most of the time, those recipes, they call for a lot more of sugar and salt than it's necessary is because they want to get that great taste right off the bat. You don't really need to put that much into it. Number six, continue to have evenly paced meals throughout the day of that big meal. I hear this a lot. People say, oh, you know what? I'm going to have that dinner tonight. I'm going to skip lunch. I'm going to skip breakfast. And that will make you more prone to overeating. Number seven, use smaller plates. And most of the time, people overeat because they have a big portion of food on their plate and they don't want to leave a lot of leftovers. So give yourself the mental edge of using a smaller plate and having smaller portions of food on your plate. Number eight, eat slowly to allow your body to start that digestion process. If you do this, you're going to notice that you're actually going to be full a lot sooner than what you expected. Number nine, beware of the alcohol intake. It's so easy to drink a lot more alcohol than you normally would during the holidays. Alcohol is related to a lot of health issues. One of them is dehydration. And as we mentioned earlier, when you're dehydrated, your body is going to make you more prone to overeating. And number 10, relax. Holidays can be a stressful time. So just take it easy, relax, and just enjoy the moment and enjoy your company. Hope this helps. Please feel free to share this with people you love so you can help them have a happy and healthy holiday as well. Thank you very much for your time for watching this video. I appreciate you.